If Microsoft Edge is giving you a sign in error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a quick and simple fix that usually solves the problem in just a few minutes. This is a helpful method if Edge is stuck, won't sign you in properly, or keeps throwing account-related errors when you try to use your profile. We'll go through the steps carefully, and by the end, you should have Edge working again much more smoothly. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the control panel on your Windows computer. You can do this by searching for control panel in the start menu and clicking on it when it appears. Once the control panel opens, look for Microsoft Edge in the list of installed programs or shortcuts, depending on how it appears on your system. Right-click on Microsoft Edge and then choose the option to change it if that is available on your device. This step helps reset or adjust the Edge setup in a way that may clear out the issue causing the sign-in error. Next, open Microsoft Edge itself. Once the browser is open, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together on your keyboard. This will bring up the Clear Browsing Data window, which is where you can remove stored information that may be causing the problem. In this menu, make sure to clear the cookies and cached files. These are often the main causes of sign-in issues because they can store outdated or corrupted login data. When you see the options, select cookies and other site data, and also select cached images and files. If there are time range options, choose all time so everything related to the error is removed. Then click the clear button to finish the process. Once that is done, close Edge completely and reopen it. Try signing in again and check whether the error is gone. In many cases, this simple reset of cookies and cache is enough to fix Microsoft Edge sign-in problems. It refreshes the browser session, removes broken data, and gives you a clean start when logging back in. If you still see the issue, you may want to repeat the process once more or restart your computer so all changes apply properly. I hope this tutorial helped you fix the Microsoft Edge sign-in error quickly and easily. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful fixes, step-by-step guides, and Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.